The year was 2038, and humanity had made tremendous strides in space exploration. NASA had just made an announcement that shocked the world, the discovery of an exoplanet unlike any other. One that was quickly dubbed the most horrible planet known to man. This planet, HD 189733b, located 63 light-years away in the constellation Vulpecula, had caught the attention of scientists. Due to its extreme and hostile conditions, Dr. Amelia Carter, the lead scientist on the project, stood before the press with a mixture of excitement and trepidation. "This is a monumental discovery," she began, her voice steady. HD 189733b presents conditions that are both fascinating and terrifying. Our initial data indicates surface temperatures exceeding 1000 degrees Celsius, with winds reaching speeds of 5,400 miles per hour. These winds are capable of carrying glass particles, creating a deadly environment that we have never encountered before. The room buzzed with questions, but Carter knew that the true scope of this discovery would only be understood through further investigation. Alongside her, Mission Commander Jack Mitchell and the rest of their team were preparing for an unprecedented journey to study the planet up close. Preparation for the mission was intense. Engineers worked around the clock to ensure that the spacecraft, the Prometheus, was equipped to handle the extreme conditions of HD 189733b. Specialized shielding was developed to protect against the planet's fierce winds and high temperatures. The crew underwent rigorous training, preparing for both the physical and psychological challenges that awaited them. On the day of the launch, the crew members gathered at the Prometheus approached HD 189733b, the crew's anticipation grew. The planet's deep blue color, caused by light scattering through its silicate-rich atmosphere, was both beautiful and foreboding. Dr. Carter and her team began their observations, noting the planet's unique atmospheric composition and the extreme weather patterns. "These wind speeds are off the charts, Carter noted, her eyes fixed on the data streaming in. "It's like a never-ending hurricane, but with glass particles instead of rain." The closer they got, the more they realized just how hostile the environment was. The temperature readings were consistent with their initial data, confirming that the planet's surface was indeed scorching hot. Landing on HD 189733b was out of the question, so the crew deployed a series of drones to gather data from the planet's surface. The footage they received was both fascinating and horrifying. The drones captured images of jagged landscapes, whipped by relentless winds that carried deadly shards of glass. The surface was a mosaic of sharp, crystalline structures, constantly shifting and reforming under the planet's extreme conditions. As they delved deeper into their study, the crew faced unexpected challenges. The high winds and abrasive particles began to wear down the drones faster than anticipated, causing frequent malfunctions. Despite their best efforts, the data collection was a constant struggle against the planet's hostility. The psychological toll on the crew was significant. The knowledge that they were studying such a deadly environment weighed heavily on them. Nightmares of being stranded on the planet, shredded by glass winds, plagued their sleep. Tensions ran high as the crew grappled with the fear and uncertainty of their mission. Despite the difficulties, the team persisted, driven by their dedication to uncovering the planet's secrets. They developed new strategies to protect the drones and continued their observations. However, as the mission wore on, the physical and mental strain began to take its toll. One particularly harrowing day, a drone malfunction caused a near disaster. A critical system failure sent the drone spiraling towards the planet's surface, and the crew scrambled to regain control. The incident served as a stark reminder of the planet's dangers and the thin margin between success and catastrophe. As their mission window closed, the decision was made to prioritize their safety and return to Earth. The journey back was filled with relief and exhaustion. The crew had survived the most horrible planet ever discovered, and they carried with them invaluable data and a renewed respect for the forces of the universe. On Earth, the crew of the Prometheus were hailed as heroes. Their findings were presented to the scientific community, providing new insights into the extreme conditions that can exist on exoplanets. The data collected from HD 189733b would inform future missions and help scientists better understand the diversity of planetary environments. Dr. Carter reflected on the mission's impact. HD 189733b has shown us just how hostile and unforgiving the universe can be. It's a reminder of the challenges we face as we explore beyond our solar system, but it's also a testament to human resilience and our unending quest for knowledge. The discovery of HD 189733b marked a new chapter in space exploration. It was a journey that tested the limits of human endurance and ingenuity, revealing the true horrors that can lie beyond the stars. As humanity continued to reach for the cosmos, the lessons learned from this mission would guide their path, ensuring that they were prepared for whatever challenges lay ahead.